So today we're traveling to the suburbs, right, Mellow? You like it there, right? For Father's Day. Uh, Mellow doesn't like this traveling cage. Well, maybe she's not used to it. Last time she didn't want to come with me, so I left her home. And today she was a little hesitant as well. But she finally decided to come, or it took a little convincing for her to come. She didn't want to step onto my hand to get out of her cage, but eventually she did. So, but she liked this cage better than this one. She doesn't want to get into it. So I think I'm gonna use this one. It's the only thing about this cage is that it's a little unstable. The other one's more stable. I ordered another cage, and I'm still waiting for that. Uh, because I was told by one of you guys that this type of cage plastic gets a little too hot in there. So I ordered something better. Right, Mello? Are you ready, Mello? You ready for another 2 hour trip? Right? Okay, let's go. So here we are, almost to our destination. I'd say about another half hour. So far, she's looking okay. She was pretty noisy in the beginning when I got her in the car. She was trying to get used to it again. But she calmed down a bit. How Mellow? Everything good? Good girl. Yep, she's behaving so far. You can't fly yet, so it's okay to be outside. But once you get your wings back, we're gonna have to put you on a harness. Do you like it outside? Check that as a yes. Enjoy it now, Mellow. Because once those wings are grown, you'll never free like this again. Well, hopefully with harness. Hi.